Okay guys, I don't have a filter, but I think I'm just gonna try and weld. So I did a little welding yesterday and I'm pretty impressed. So I did blow a hole in the stainless. This is 3-inch stainless pipe that I bought off of eBay as a practice. But as you can see, it's bad, but it's definitely getting better. Like that, it almost looks respectable. I mean, not really, but I mean, it's not embarrassing at this point. That one actually looks not too shabby. But this, I definitely blew a hole in it and I tried to cover it up. I'm probably gonna end up grinding this joint down and then maybe like doing another pass on it. And what I'm gonna do is I cut this pipe and I'm gonna try and weld it backwards so that I have like an S shape. And the reason for that is because it makes it like kind of not a perfect weld. If I just try and weld it back, it's like such a tight weld that it might be too easy to do. So I'm gonna try and do this. It's gonna have a few gaps in it. Guys, while I'm starting to perfect my welding, well, not really, but I wanted to just give you guys a quick update on my progress with Final Cut Pro. It's definitely going very rough, and I feel like my upcoming videos are going to get a lot worse before they get a lot better. So please bear with me, guys. This is like learning a brand new language, so just bear with it. I'll get better at it, I promise. If you're like within 1/8 of an inch, the beam gets really focused, and it like sure does make it a lot easier. I learned that on YouTube, guys. I gotta move my clamp because I gotta do some more tack welds. So I'm gonna bring my ground clamp. I sure wish I had a metal table. I just can't justify it yet, guys, because I kind of spent a lot of money on this welder, and I don't want to buy a welding table if I'm not like 100% sure that I'm gonna go through with this. But I am pretty sure, because I am committed to learning how to weld. Moving on. Great news. I barely... Oh, what happened, phone? Where are you going, buddy? Sorry guys, I bought this gimbal and it's very weird. It has like a life of its own. So I got everything tacked up. This pipe is kind of hot. So another thing that I read is I should let things cool off a little bit, because once you get it too like heated, it's like difficult to do because you just like everything gets too hot. So I'm gonna let this chill for a minute, and then I'll get right back to it. Okay. It's time to see if I could actually weld. No pressure. So this is going to be the hardest part because there's a huge gap here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and... Maybe I'll just like try and fill it in or something. We'll see. Oh god, that's bad.
Oh. Gosh, that's a really big hole. Okay.
I did contaminate my tip just a little bit, but not really. I think I can continue. Guys, I went through so many stainless steel rods already. This is an expensive thing to learn, let me tell you. I think I'm getting like the gluing part down. I blew a hole in it again, but I did fix it. It's kind of so it's still bad, but dare I say that's like sealed? Kind of. I don't know. Guys, what are these dimples? These are, holy cow, that's hot. These dimples happen every time I stop. Is it because I'm like letting off the pedal too soon? Because it seems like the pool is super hot, and then like as I let the argon, like it has that post flow, it just seems like it kind of caves in a little bit, so I'm not sure. But I mean, there you have it. I mean, it's not awful. I bet you if I grinded this, oh, careful, that's hot, that it'd probably look pretty decent. So I don't know. I'm gonna cut this pipe probably 6 or 7 more times, hopefully, and do that. Or maybe I'll make a cool like exhaust stack or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, it's late, it's getting dark, and I smell a skunk, so I don't know where he is, but I smell him, so I'm gonna try welding again tomorrow. It's just a little too late now to continue. Plus it's hot. Like this welding coat and the gloves and the mask, I don't know how you guys do it. Like I'd only weld in the wintertime if it was up to me. It's like instant. I mean, you have to wear so much protective clothing. It's just like, it's like you're dressed for winter. That's probably a great job to have in the wintertime. Terrible job to have in the summertime. Anyhow, we'll see you on the next one, guys.